Hi guys, this is Neetu from Neetu's Art Studio. Welcome to the acrylic cone sprint classroom. Let's talk about the material you will need. Matte black acrylic paint and a regular pencil to make the guidelines. You will also need a plastic paper. It could be a chip bag or any other bag. It should have a pristine noise like this. Also a scissor, a sellotape, and a big packaging tape to make your cones. Some acrylic paints, it could be Amsterdam or Liquitex brand. Both of the brands are heavy body acrylic paint. You can also go with Winsor and Newton if you can find these. Next, I got these plaster eggs from Michaels, but you can also buy wooden eggs if you can find plaster eggs. Just make sure eggs that you buy should have a flat bottom. That make your project way easy to handle. Let's start the prep and cover your egg with black paint using a flat brush. Let's wait till it's dry and then we can move on to our next step. Now we need some mini rubber bands to create some guidelines. I'm simply going to wrap these around the egg and make a plus sign. Guys, you don't need any measurement, just eyeball it and place your rubber band in some nice straight lines. It's good to spend some time on this step. Straight lines and equal sections are important. Looks like we are ready to mark some guidelines. Here I'm using a chalk marker for a better visual for you guys. But I do not recommend this since it's hard to erase it afterwards. Regular pencil is a better choice for you guys. Once you are done with the plus sign, you can take off the rubber bands and wrap the rubber bands in multiply sign. Oh yes, egg is really slippery and flicking away my rubber band. Seems like we are done with multiply sign. Now let's mark some guidelines. Once we are done with all 8 guidelines, we can simply join them with one point in the center. I am now creating 8 more guidelines in between the lines. Then I will have total of 16 guidelines. I know that you cannot see my pencil guidelines, but I'm sure you will be able to see your own guidelines when you make with pencil. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.